Yeah.
That's it, dude.
Nice shit. Nice. Oh look, there's a broken Jeep.
Sounds like it.
Oh yeah.
Honky tonk, but donka donk. Working on his Jeep cause his surf belt fucking broke. Got it going on like King Kong.
Jesus Christ, I got beat all the time. You were quicker than that. Oh, this way you got full up.
This is where everybody's throwing the most shit.
This doesn't sound as impressive.
Not just like a Chevy. This is not just like a Chevy.
It sounds like it's gonna die.
Yeah, it does.
I smoked him up my butter.
It's a lot slicker than it looks down here.
Oh, where are you going?
That Ranger blew me right. More just cleaning the tires in one minute. Alright, I'll give her another round. There he goes.
That Jeep's got four-wheel high?
Oh, he wants to play that game. There he goes. He wants to play that game. There he goes. What?
Come on!
Come on, now get out.
What the fuck was that?
You guys don't like me anymore?
You drilled me in the forehead with a chumpy.
Oh, it's stuck! It's stuck! Oh, you want me to tell you out? Look at them tires spinning.
The mythical horsepower creature.
Is everybody watching this? There goes the Jeep stuck again.
How long's it been since that thing's been out?
Months. It's been like
500 horse? Yeah, you did.
That thing's nasty. That thing, you put a set of fucking nose right there on it, dude. That thing will be nothing, dude.
it's tweaked out lightning again. For the first time, Aaron, that thing smells like it's getting broken in.
More high.
That thing goes good.
Did anybody else notice that Chewy has to get
I haven't gone through either.
Stop right there. Go backwards.
I didn't hear it now after I said it.
At least we have some ruts going straight now.
Dude, this is sloppy.
Chewy's truck
It's
don't
getting worse and worse and worse and worse. But there is a bottom to it. That's the weird part.
This is I think I just got hit in the face with a piston.
Whenever I punch it, I can hear it on the inside. It's like, do it again!
It's not that.
Go down and do it again! You don't want to do that again.
Back up in here.